From taking notes to the tracking assignments, these 10 iPad apps will make you more productive as a student and will make your student life easier. The next one in the list is the Apple Books. Needless to mention that this app is extremely useful for anyone who wants to read the books on their screens, especially for the students, because this app has an extremely good interface. You can change the color scheme, you can increase the size of the font, change the brightness. So a must-have app for all the students. You don't need to worry, because if you are buying the iPad, it will come pre-installed. And by far, one of my favorite iPad apps is Microsoft OneNote. It is extremely useful for anyone who wants to organize their studies, especially for the students, because it has an architecture or a design of a book or a notebook where you can create the notebooks, and within the notebooks you can create sections, and within the sections you can create the pages. So in this way you can organize multiple subjects within this single app, that is Microsoft OneNote. And the good part is that you don't have to pay for it. It is absolutely free, and it automatically syncs with your Mac or Windows if it is already installed on that device. You can also access it from your mobile phone. So this is a unique app which you can access from your laptop, from your iPad, and from your mobile. At number one, we have Notability. Notability is a note-taking app that helps you not only to take notes, organize them, but also to annotate the documents, because in this app you can upload the PDF files and make annotations onto those documents, just like you're seeing right now. So the next app is Forest. Is an app that helps you maintain your focus by planting the virtual tree, and that tree ultimately dies if you leave this app. The next one on the list is the Good Reader. It, as a student, you will have to read a lot of PDF files and edit them, do annotations on them. So this Good Reader app is extremely useful for making annotations onto the PDF files, and it also definitely helps you to read those on your iPad. The next one in the list is the Wolfram Alpha. Alpha is a computational search. It helps you to solve the mathematical equations, problems, and even the science and math related homeworks. The next app in the list is the Quizlet. This app helps you create your own quizzes and flashcards to memorize your study. You can get millions of study sets that are already available in this app, and you can create your own flashcards. This app helps you in multiple ways to learn your subjects. My Homework app is specially designed for the students to track their assignments and the schedules. The iStudies Pro, this app helps you as a student to track your schedules, assignments, and grades. You can sort out your daily routines within this app. Built-in calendar is available where you can sync in the Google or Apple Calendar. You can level up by tracking your grades, and this app syncs your data on the cloud, which means that you can access it across all the platforms. So which one of this was your favorite app? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you want to see more videos like this, do give it a like.